Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Zafira Liviana. I'm from IPIF 2018. Today, in this occasion, I would like to present about Wakaf Zamzam Tower. Hopefully, you can understand my presentation. Inshallah. So, let me continue. Next, history Zamzam Tower. In Saudi Arabia, the donated land belonging to the king around Masjid Al-Haram was donated to be built into the multi-purpose complex Zamzam Tower. Zamzam Tower building in the city of Makkah is a Waqf asset where the construction goes to the stage of issuing sukuk. The land in Makkah was an asset of the Saudi government, which was then leased to the Bin Laden Company, which then issued a sukuk to build the building. Zamzam Tower itself contained many business outlets such as shops, hotels, restaurants, and business-related matters. Each year, the rent is divided between the government, Nazir, and sukuk issuer. At the end of the period, the Zamzam Tower will be owned by the Saudi government. Profit from the management at Zamzam Tower are used operational management of the Grand Mosque. So, no charity box is found there, but holy seat of Muslim. He said, no, the principle of Waqf is not transferable. Nazir or Zakat fund manager must develop Waqf in order to benefit by not reducing the value of the Waqf. Saudi Arabia has implemented the integration of Waqf and sukuk in the construction of the Zamzam Tower in Makkah. Zamzam Tower building land is Waqf land, which was leased to Bin Laden Company for 75 years. Also carried out by Turkey, Kuwait, and Singapore. The Waqf land can be optimized for commercial purpose, but still according to Sharia principle. Next, Akad Boat. A concrete example of Waqf building that use a boat contract is Zamzam Tower in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. Zamzam Tower is built on Waqf land which managed by the state, then in collaboration with the Bin Laden Group and leased to Munshad Real Estate Project KSC, which then financed the construction, manages it, and will return it as a Waqf asset after 28 years of contract period. Boat is short of building operated transfer, known in Indonesia as BEGS or bangunan serbaguna. An asset with a value of this size certainly requires good management of Nazir, one of which is optimized by utilizing a boat contract for productive Waqf. Boat or BGS is the utilization of regional property in the form of land by another party by means of construction a building and or facilities then utilized by the other party for the certain period of time that has been agreed upon and subsequently handed back the land along with the build and or facilitate. After the expiration of the period, the contract is suitable for the development of productive land Waqf because with the capital of a plot of land using this contract without spend fund, Nazir can manage to it into the productive asset. Next, the working system is as follows. You can see the picture. First, Nazir or manager of the Waqf land determines the location of the Waqf land that is used for development. The land to be used is pursued in a strategic location so that it's possible to build a business on it. Apart from being obtained from land, Waqf from a legal subject, this Waqf land can also be used as cash Waqf, which will later be used to buy land asset in a location where a business is possible. Land location will affect future business development. The more strategic the place, for example, near a market, protocol road, station, or other busy public facilities, the more potential it will be. And second, Nazir then make a both cooperation contract with other parties who are willing to become investor while building a business online and running in until the specified time, usually at the most within 13 years, meaning for the next 30 years, management control and profit from the business built on Waqf land are fully extracted to the investor in exchange for payment and profit from business development. And the third, after agreement period in the contract is over, the investor will return the land and business building and facilities that are the object of the contract to Nazir. At the time, the Waqf land as well as business on can be managed continuously. In the long run, the ownership belongs to Allah, and the result obtained from the are given thus in need or to build another productive business. My presentation about Waqf Zamzam Tower. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.